Hi, I'm Wally Spires. Welcome to another edition of Wally Vision. We're here at the Tri-City Speedway, and we're going to be riding in this dirt car here. It's a two-seater special edition to show us what it's like to go around the track, I guess. I'm not sure why. This is publicity for the Gateway International 250, which is running Saturday, I believe. And like I said, I'm not sure why that's a solid track and they're going to be running NASCARs. But they have their own little fake steering wheel and everything there, and I'm sure it'll be quite an experience. Looking forward to it.
Are we here? No, you're right, open up. It's getting hot, so you gotta spin the motor over before you hit just these two.
This is nuts.
They have a, you got to leave it.
I'm going with the guy who's worked a lot more than me, so I'm pretty sure he's so we're going to see. He's like a millionaire, so I'm sure he's going to take this pretty easy to beat.
Me, Ben, and Rudy.
But he's also taping this for ESPN, so he's got to make it look good.
I got you covered. The collar. Take your shoulder harnesses while they're hooked up here. Oh, they did.
Take your helmet off?
Yeah, helmet.
Be a little easier for you. Yeah, that was fun. And hot, but I don't think my steering wheel worked either.
Get ready, get a, I don't know if they got a...
No, I didn't puke,
Have that helmet ready.
but I'm starting to get wheezy. Queasy.
Where'd you go? I thought he was getting it ready.
I can't believe these guys do this for a living. Till next time, this is Wally. So long.
You gotta pull the